Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the studio. I desperately need to roll these yarns. I desperately need to roll these into cakes. So let's do that now. 1, 2. All right, let's turn this into cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was incredibly knotted. Oh, but I did get this big one, so. I will see you guys next week. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday of the next week, but it is time for me to do my face, so. Ta-da! Also, I want to show you the ghost rug that I've been working on and I told you all about last week with all the different colors that I've been debating. There it is in all of its stunning, well, it's obviously not done yet, but you can see the lavender little shadow sections. And then I'm also doing a really pretty outline. So yeah, the whole color scheme is just, it's so cute. It's so pretty. I love how it's turning out. I think it's gonna be so cute. Okay, I have no idea what I last said. I think I was talking about the ghost. We need to talk about some other things first. Like this. So I was able to consolidate some of my Halloween decorations. Anyway, a tote was left over, so I'm gonna use it to store some of my yarn. I know, wow. She's changing, everyone. I think what I'm gonna do is put skeins of yarn in there that I have not used. They still have the label on them. Listen, I need to never be let inside of a Joann's for a long time. For a long, long time. Okay? Before we start filling the tote, I'm pretty sure that in this basket of yarn, there's more skeins of yarn that are like these that still have the label on. So I'm going to have to dig them out. Look at this beautiful color. Cerulean blue. Where are you? I didn't know I had more of this green. Oh, wow. I must have had an idea for it. Right? Oh my god, another. I also have a lot of sparkly. Oh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm the yarn monster. Okay? Capital Y, capital M. That's me. I have a problem. I don't think I can ever go back to a Joann's again. I can never. I have a Joann's. I have a Joann's in my own apartment, especially including everything that's over there. Don't look it over there. That's a whole separate thing. That is a whole separate thing. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Do a little wee bit of Don't look at that either. Don't look at that either. Will this tote even be able to hold all of this? I'm gonna put colors that I have zero plans for on the bottom. And I am gonna make sure that I get every single roll of the same color. Wow, I only got 2 of those. Sparkly purple, but definitely come up with something. Ah, that's it. Oh. Okay, so I guess I only have 2 of those, which is pretty crazy. I'm gonna put the silver sparkly next to it. There has to be another one. You're telling me I only have 1 left? Oh. Squeeze that. Oh, look at that. Thinking we'll put these greens on the bottom as well. This is a really pretty color too. Forest green. I think I got that for Frug, but I don't remember why. Oh, what the is that going to be for? I jam this in there? No. Yeah, what if it stands? What if it stands like that? I have another. Why didn't I use this color? Oh no! Also thinking this green can go on the bottom as well because I have no plans for that. This totally isn't going to fit all of this. It just, it actually isn't, which is insane. We'll just have a wall of green. Wow. They all fit, right? So this is all of the yarn in the tote. Wow. I'm shocked. But they did all fit into this tote. Okay, what I want to do now is, these are string lights. I want to put some lights around Bob. They twinkle! Shut the up. That is so magical. Oh my god. Warm white lights throughout that blink. Because the other colors, I don't think they do. I feel like I kind of just want to wrap them around him like he's a tree. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I think we just put this on him. But November was like 5 minutes long. So I also have like these sort of really cheesy holiday head toppers. That's what they called them coming, but they're gonna be here late. And we'll like wrap around his spine, you know? Oh my god. He's so festive. Let's keep wrapping around his spine. Lift your arms. Thank you. It'll be hell to get these off. Maybe they're never coming down. I don't know. Go around your rib cage a bit. Okay. Do one more. There. Wrap it around. That seems a little scary, but it's a necklace. It's just a necklace. And then, I don't know, maybe around his head like that. Like a scarf. It's a scarf. Make sure we can see them. Alright. What do we think, huh? What do we think of Bob? I love it. I love that they twinkle. They twinkle pretty severely. Like, actually, that's a lot of twinkling. I think it's cute, and I also think it's ridiculous. Which is just perfect. Which is just perfect for me. Let's see. Oh my god. Aww. It's so cute. So cozy and festive. It's gonna be really cozy too, because stream usually goes, well, I usually start when the sun still is up. By the time I'm like finishing stream, and kind of like a couple hours before it, it's like the sun is gone. So I feel like this is gonna look great for stream. I got another box, and I was thinking of trying to string them along the top of my frame. Maybe I'll tack them as the wood, and then I can go in between the like cords. You want to hear something really chaotic that you're totally gonna hate? This is my jar of tacks. It also holds my paintbrushes, some of which are hard with paint on them. And also there's pencils in here, and also there's glue. So this is my tack jar / my paintbrush jar. And whenever I need tacks, I just take the paintbrushes out and dump them on the table. You can't even see them. So they just start at the bottom, and they go all the way across top, and they go down the side on this side, and then plug in right across my yarn, which isn't gonna cause any problems. This feels Hey, what? You didn't say you were here. Look at this. So yesterday, I tufted this on stream, and the reason I'm doing this now is because I drew over what? I drew over another design. As you can see here, it kind of looked like this, just like a big mess. And when I tufted it yesterday, I didn't, this is the line I was supposed to go to, and so it's smaller than my other ones. So I'm just filling this in. There she is, done. Thank goodness. I'm so happy I fixed that. Isn't this the most beautiful fade? From a light pink to a really pretty lavender. It's so pretty. And the top purple is that sparkly purple. Oh my god. I just love. Oh. Hello, good afternoon. This is my swamp water drink that I make before a stream. Made it a little early today because not really sure what happened, but I'm supposed to start stream in like, I don't even know, like 10 minutes. And I want to finish this ghost with you. So we're going to do a little bit of tufting right now. Look at him in all of his adorableness. I just have to do the rest of the like lavender outline. Oh my god, he's so cute though. It's so like exactly what I wanted. It's so pretty. Hey everyone, it is the next day. We finished, like fully finished with the entire lavender outline. I don't like the way that that's curved. Oh no. Anyway, I finished the entire outline. I don't know why I didn't notice how much I hate how that's not like going a bit more up. Anyways, finished the outline. Look how cute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Also, this one could be a wee bit longer. It doesn't have to be as long as this one. I'm gonna have to fix those. We also tufted this slime keyboard rug, which I really love. I love the color of it. And I tufted it with this like really soft fuzzy yarn that I had left over. It also, I feel like it shows it better in this because this roll is just like exploding. Can you see that it like fades in color? It's like really light down here and it gets a bit darker. It fades super slowly, so you kind of can't see it super well, but it's pretty light up here and then it gets kind of dark, so it's a very gradual fade, but it is pretty. And I like the idea that the keyboard rug or wrist rest is going to be soft and fuzzy. I mean, I guess they all are because they're all made of yarn, but these ones are going to be like really soft. We have 2 more keyboard rugs and then the frame is basically done. Don't look at these heart things. Somebody said I could turn the hearts that I didn't fully finish into like ornaments or something. Maybe I'll do that. But you know what? I don't think I said it one of these videos. I don't recommend punch needling on your frame, on like a tufting frame. Definitely recommend punch needling like on something you can have on your lap to do the punches down onto the fabric instead of like doing them to the side. It's awful. You know, I gotta get this frame moving along. So anyway, well, oh, look at all of them. Look at, oh, you're a bitch. Oh my god, look at all of my keyboard rugs. They all look so cute. This one's like the best in color fade. Yeah, I need to finish this slime keyboard rug. I'm gonna use that fuzzy pink I just showed you. The reason I'm tufting like sideways, left to right, instead of tufting lines and doing an outline is so that if it does fade, we can see the fade, then I want it to, you know, actually do a fade. So if I do it like this, then I guess the fade would go this way, but I want it to go up or down. Wow, looking creepy as hell back there as usual. We finished it. I love both of them so much. Anyway, battery is dying, so I'm going to end this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoyed it. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman, besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday over on Twitch. The link is down in the description. I love y'all to absolute death. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.